Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English for 5 minutes. Today we are going to learn dialogues between customers and sellers at the farmers market. Feel free to write down the sentences and repeat them every day to help you speak English fluently. Ready? Let's get started. Good morning. Wow, these tomatoes looks amazing. How much are they? Good morning. They are $3 per pound. They are fresh from our farm, picked just this morning. That sounds great. I'll take 2 pounds, please. Do you have any other fresh produce today? Absolutely. We got cucumbers, bell peppers, and some juicy peaches. The peaches are $2.50 per pound. Those peaches looks delicious. I'll get a pound of them too. So how much do I owe you? Let's see. That's $6 for the tomatoes and $2.50 for the peaches. Your total is $8.50. Okay, here my payment. Thank you. See you next time. Good morning, sir. Do you have any herbs? Yes, we have fresh basil, parsley, oregano, and rosemary. They're $5 per pot. Great, I'll take the parsley. Okay, here's $5 for the parsley. Thank you, have a good day. Hello, ma'am. Do you have any local honey? Yes, we do. Our honey is $8 for a small jar and $15 for a large one. Which one do you like? Okay, I'll get a small jar. Can you recommend anything else today? Well, if you like cheese, we have some amazing goat cheese from a local dairy. It's $5 for a small wheel. That sounds perfect. I'll take one of those too. So how much is everything? Small honey is $8 and the cheese is $5. So the total is $13. Do you accept a credit card or cash? We accept everything, including online payment like Zelle, Venmo, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Great! I'll send my payment via Zelle. Thanks. Thank you. I got your payment. Have a great day, and I hope you like the honey and the cheese. Okay, everyone, this is the end of today's lesson. Thank you for learning with me. Please don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and share it with your friends and family. Until next time, bye now.